guys, welcome back to 3, 2, 1 Cook. Sorry we haven't been posting for a while because we've been quite busy. Today we're going to be making ancient Greek pancakes. So let's get started. We're going to put in 120 grams of flour. Now we are going to put in 225 millilitres of water. Now we need 1 tablespoon of clear honey. If you want another spoon to scrape it off, you can grab another spoon. We're going to mix it up to a batter. Now we're going to be putting the sesame seeds onto the tray. Cook to 3 to 4 minutes till golden brown and keep an eye on them. I'm going to be having my granddad help me, and these are what the sesame seeds look like when they just come out of the oven. This is what they look like after they have been cooked. Now we're going to be doing the pancakes, and my granddad is going to be helping me.
Hi guys, so we're all ready, are we?
Yeah.
Gas on. And heat the pan. I'll put about a teaspoon of oil in there once the pan is hot. So you made your batter, have you, Lily? So
yeah.
We're making ancient Greek pancakes. What do you reckon they taste like?
To me, I don't think they'll really taste nice.
I think they taste like our normal day pancakes because you put honey in there. So they're going to be sweet, aren't they? Put a little bit of oil to coat the pan, stop it sticking, let that heat up. Put some in, that's good. That's enough.
Turn the pancakes or use a spatula. Perfect. We're going to use the spatula to make sure it's not sticking onto the pan. You might want to have an adult to help you make this, because you don't want to burn yourself. Now we're going to be placing it onto our plate. Now we're going to be getting the honey. Going to be using our spoon. We're going to do a drizzle of honey. Now it's ready for eating. I actually quite like that. For me, that's probably a 7 out of 10.
Now the taste test.
Now the taste test of my granddad. How is it?
They're wicked. They really do taste nice.
Would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
We got an 8 out of 10.